Hi there, this is Coach John here from Learning Out of the Box, and thank you so much for watching this channel. Yeah. Okay, so today we're going to talk about question 11 from PSLE paper 2022. Okay, so right now we are seeing triangles and squares and rectangle, and then what is special about this triangle is that it's isosceles right angle isosceles triangle, which also means that this is a straight line. And then you can just make sure that you draw all the lines to to remind you that they are following the properties of isosceles triangles. Okay, so what we have here is we have make sure that all the numbers are inside as well. We have 12, we have 8. Okay, we have x given, all right, and then telling you that this whole thing is a straight line as well as this whole thing is a straight line as well. Okay, so right now what do we have to find? We have to find AE, which means that it's a whole red line. Okay, so right now let's see what we can do. Okay, so let's see what we already have. Yeah, sometimes parts of the answers is really given, and all you need to do is just to find the other parts and then combine them and then make sure that they are actually matching. So we have here, which is xcm. So here is x itself. So just write here x. Okay, x. So right now, what we need to do is to find the other side, and that is the green side. Okay, the green side, which is same as here. And let's see how we can make use of the isosceles triangle. Yeah, which also means that it's also here as well. Okay, so which also means that once we are able to find this whole line, we have x here, and then we just need to find this part, right? So we have 12, we have 8, and numbers are there to help you. So this is a 4, which means that this is an x plus 4, and this is an x plus 4 as well. So for AE is actually x plus 4, and we have 2x plus 4. And then to make it more complete put a bracket in, and you have 2x plus 4 cm. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so the other thing that you want to take note will be find the total area. So if it's talking about area and we have triangle, and we have square, and we have rectangle, that also means that you need to activate the formula for finding area for different figures. Yeah, so let's call them A, B, C, and D. Okay, so let's do one by one, and we have A, which is a triangle, so it's half times x, which is 14, times the height is 14 as well, so you cancel off. To make it easier for you, even if you are using a calculator, then you have B, which is a square, so it's 14 square. No, B is not a square. Yeah, my apologies. B is a rectangle. Yeah, so because it's given here, okay? Yeah, so B is 12 times 14, which is actually 168 cm square. And then following up, you have C, which is also a triangle. So it's half times x plus 4 is actually 18. You can do that together as well. And you have 162 cm square. And then you have D, okay? You can just cancel off to make it easier for you. So you just punch into the calculator 9 times 18. Then for D itself is length times breadth, or breadth times length, doesn't matter. And then you have 144 cm square. So you want to find the total area, add together. Yeah, for the fourth line, you have total area is 98 plus 168 plus 162 plus 144. So you have a total of 572 cm square. Okay, and that's your answer, and that's it. Yeah, so for this one, I think it's about if there's one key takeaway, you'll be relational, how you actually relate what you have to find to what you already have. Okay, so I think maths is about like solving pieces of it, and then with what you have, so that you can actually find what you need to find. Right, so I hope it helps, and if you know of any friend who can benefit from this video, feel free to send to him to or her, so that PSLE journey can be more joyful for them. Yeah, and also stressful. All right, take care and see you around.